Hello everybody, here we are at Moscow Python Conference, and here is Eyitemi. Please tell me something about you.
I'm Eyitemi.
Eyitemi.
Yes.
Sorry.
Timmy is fine.
We will start.
Yes, you can.
Eyitemi. Yes. Eyitemi, yeah?
Yes.
Eyitemi. Okay, sorry. Надо это. Девочка с хлопушкой надо. Hello everybody, here we are at Moscow Python Conference, and here is Eyitemi.
Hi, I'm Timmy. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a cybersecurity guy. Yeah. I currently work with a healthcare startup, AppMIS, that's building an information management platform for healthcare facilities across Africa. My day-to-day job, I do product security, infrastructure security, and DevOps.
What will your talk be about today?
My talk is about a hacker's guide to securing Python web applications. So things I've picked up from day-to-day activity, from pen tests, client engagements, working for my organization, things I've picked up as a hacker trying to break into the application, and what I think are common mistakes that developers make and how to fix them. So a hacker's recommendation to developers on how to fix these applications.
What do you think about the level of code and infrastructure security currently in the world, and maybe in the Python community about the code mostly?
So I think a lot of people build applications just to hit production without security in mind. So you build, just get it shipped and gets it working. But then it takes some level of experience as a developer to build securely. So a lot of people build applications, they're working fine, working perfectly in production, great, making cash, but not exactly secure. So any hacker with motive could break through the applications and steal for profits.
What will be your advice for the beginners in the security part, for the developers who are starting their way?
Okay, I would say as a beginner developer, you could play it safe by sticking to known libraries, working with known frameworks, building based on documented guides. It's quite safe to play that way. But then, before using anything, Google, check, see people's reviews about it, security reviews, see how it can be properly implemented, how it can be securely implemented. Most by following documented guides, documentation, yeah, you'll be safe that way.
And one more question. Today we had a talk about the hacking using social engineering, and you are talking about the technical part. What do you think, how you compare the risks of the technical issues against the social problems for the data loss?
Okay, so technology can always be fixed. So if your application is buggy, if it's contains security vulnerabilities, you could fix it securely. But humans always the weakest chain in the whole, the weakest link in the whole chain. So you could fix technology, fix processes, but it's hard to fix humans. So it's all about user awareness, education, to bring humans up to speed with fixes in technology and processes. And
do you think that understanding of the technical part of the security will help people to better understand the risks of security at all, including software and hardware and social problems?
Yes, yes. So a combination of technical skills, yeah, and then social engineering skill or awareness of social engineering, how it is, would help users to effectively provide security for the organization, for themselves and the organization as a whole.
Thank you very much. That's all. Bye-bye.
Thank you.